everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematical Spectrum. I am Alia Aji. I am studying in class 11. In today's section, we are going to study a new chapter, that is polynomials. What do you mean by polynomial? A polynomial means it is an algebraic expression which can be written in the form of f of x. F of x is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square etc. Where this a0, a1, a2 etc. are constants. They are constants and the power of the variable in all these terms will be non-negative integer. Power of the variable will be non-negative integer. Non-negative integer. Just take an example. If you have an expression like 3x square plus 4x plus 3. This can be written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Here a, b, c refers to 3, 4 and 3, which means they are constants. Here a, b, c are constant and also the power of the variable here is 2. Here is 2 and the power of the variable in this expression is in this term is 1 and here the power is this 3 can also be written as 3x raised to 0. X raised to 0 will be equals to 1. So this is equal to 3 into 1 which is 3. So the power of the variable in this term will be 0. Which means these 2, 1 and 0 are non-negative integer. So here the a, b, c are constant and also the power of the variable in each of the term will be non-negative integer. So we can say this is a polynomial. Okay. Now we can discuss the degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. Degree means it is the highest power of variable in the algebraic expression. Just take an expression 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Here the power of the variable in the first term is 2 and power of the variable, this is a variable and the power of that variable in the second term will be 1 and this 5 can also be written as 5x raised to 0. So the power of the variable in this term is 0, which means the highest power in this out of these powers will be 2, which means the degree of the polynomial f of x will be 2. Okay, just take another example. 4x cube plus 5x plus 3x raised to 4. The power of the variable in the first term is 3. Power of the variable in the second term is 1. Power of the variable in the third term is 4. The highest power will be 4, which means that degree of this polynomial is 4. Okay. Now we can discuss the classification of polynomials. The polynomials can be classified based on two criteria. And the first one is based on the number of terms. And the first one is monomial. A polynomial is said to be monomial if it consists of only one term. For example, 3x. It consists of only one term, therefore it is included under monomial. And 3x into 5x. This can be written as 15 into x square, which means it is a single term. So it can also be included under the category monomial. And the second one is binomial. A polynomial is said to be binomial if it consists of two terms. For example, 3x plus 5x square. It consists of two terms, so it is included under binomial. Okay. And the third one is trinomial. Trinomial consists of three terms. For example, 5x cube plus 3x plus 6. It consists of three terms, therefore it is included under trinomial. Okay. And the next classification is based on the degree of the variable in that expression. Based on the degree of the variable. Okay. And the first one is constant polynomial. If you write an example 5. This 5 can also be written as 5x raised to 0. Here the degree of the variable in this expression is 0. Therefore, such type of polynomials can be considered as constant polynomials. So constant polynomial is the polynomials in which the degree of the variable is 0. Okay. And the next one is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial is a polynomial having degree 1. For example, 5x plus 3x. This can be written as 8x. Here the power of The power of the variable in this expression is 1, so it is included under linear polynomial. And the third one is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial has its degree 2. For example, 5x into 3x. This can be written as 15 into x square. Here the variable is x and the power of the variable in this expression is 2. Therefore, it is considered as a quadratic polynomial. Okay. And the fourth one is cubic polynomial. 3x raised to 5 divided by x square. This can be written as 3x cube. Here the variable is x and the power of the variable in this expression is 3. So it is included under cubic polynomial. And the fifth one is biquadratic polynomial. Or it is also called as quartic polynomial. Okay, quartic polynomial. Just take an example. 5x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 2x. Here the power of the variable in this expression is 4. Therefore, it is considered as a biquadratic polynomial. Okay. So this class, the polynomials can be classified based on two criteria. And first is based on the number of terms. We can classify it into monomial, binomial, and trinomial. And based on the degree, we can classify into constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, and biquadratic or quartic polynomial. Constant polynomial has its degree 0. Linear polynomial, the degree of the variable is 1, and quadratic, the degree is 2. Here it is 3 and here it is 4. Okay. Next, we can discuss the zero of a polynomial. A is said to be the zero of the polynomial f of x when f of a is equal to 0. Let's consider polynomial f of x as 3x minus 6. If we put the value of x as 2, f of 2 will be equals to 3 into 2 minus 6, which is equal to 0. So, this 2 is called the zero of this polynomial. Because when we put x is equal to 2 in this polynomial, we get the answer as 0. So, the 2 is the zero of this polynomial. Okay. Now, we can discuss some questions. This is the first question. Show that x is equal to 2 is the zero of 2x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 6. So, the given polynomial is f of x is equal to 2x cube minus plus x square minus 7x minus 6. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളോട് ചോദിച്ചേക്കുന്ന x is equal to 2 ഇവിടെ 0 ആണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യണം. So when we put x is equal to 2 in this expression, we will get 2 into 2 cube plus 2 square minus 7 into 2 minus 6, and which is equal to 2 into 2 cube is equal to 8. So 8 plus 2 square is equal to 4 minus 7 into 2 is equal to 14 minus 6, and which is equal to 16 plus 4 minus 14 minus 6, which is equal to 16 plus 4 is equal to 20 minus 14 minus 6 is equal to minus 20. So it is equal to 0. Upon f of 2 value namukku 0 nu kitti, which means that 2 is the zero of this polynomial. 2 is the zero of this polynomial f of x. Okay. Now we can discuss the second question. The second question is, if x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 0 are the zeros of the polynomial, f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 5x square plus ax plus b. You have to find the value of a and b. X is equal to 2. അതായത് 2 ഉം 0 ഉം ഈ ഒരു പോളിനോമിയലിന്റെ 0 ആണ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. So if a is the zero of the polynomial f of x ന്റെ 0 ആണ് a എങ്കിൽ then f of a is equal to 0. ഇവിടെ a യുടെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് 2 ഉം 0 ആണ്. എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ f of 2 ഉം 0 ആയിരിക്കും, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ f of 0 ഉം 0 ആയിരിക്കും. The given polynomial is 2x cube minus 5x square plus ax plus b. So what is f of 2? F of 2 is equal to 2 into, we have to put x is equal to 2. So here x ന്റെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് നമ്മൾ 2 ഇടണം. So x cube എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ 2 cube എന്ന് വരും. Minus 5 into 2 square plus a into x here is 2 plus b, and it is equal to 0. So 2 into 2 cube, 2 into 8 minus 5 into 4 plus 2a plus b is equal to 0. Okay. So 2 into 8 is equal to 16. So 16 minus 20 plus 2a plus b is equal to 0. Now this is equal to minus 4 plus 2a plus b is equal to 0. Which implies 2a plus b is equal to 4. Okay. Now what is f of 0? X in number 0 into it will be equals to 2 into 0 cube minus 5 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b, and which is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus b, which means f of 0 is equal to b and it is equal to 0 since 0 is the 0 of this polynomial f of x. Okay, so b is equal to 0. B is equal to 0 and put in this equation. So 2a plus b is equal to 4 and we put b is equal to 0, 2a is equal to 4. Therefore a is equal to 2. So a യുടെ value 2 ഉം b യുടെ value 0 ആണ്. Okay. The next class also we can discuss the chapter polynomials. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.